Prime Video is giving users more options for personalizing their user profiles with the addition of characters from its original series. Amazon introduced user profiles to its Prime Video service last year, and it previously allowed supported personalized images for individual user accounts. Now, however, users can choose to make their account avatar a character from one of nearly 24 Amazon original series, including Fleabag, The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel, Tom Clancy's Jack Ryan, The Expanse, Bosch, and more. To change a user icon on Prime Video's website, head to the Prime Video homepage and click Manage Profiles from the Who's Watching menu in the upper right corner. To change a user profile image on iOS, Android, and Fire devices, head to the My Stuff menu in the Prime Video app. Click on the Profiles drop-down menu and then select Edit. From there, click on the user profile image to choose from one of Amazon's new originals icons. The new additions mark the first time the service has introduced profile image options for popular characters from its originals. Amazon's older icons will still be available on the service. Those can be found under the Animals, Archetypes, Classic, and Moods categories.
If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.